This video was brought to you by Elbilmek, ABRP, Stormberg, Kempower and Bilkomponenter. Yo, what's up? Today I'm going to do a banana box test of Peugeot e-5008. This is a big car. Just look at me. I look small next to it. So this is a 7-seater. So can it match the Chinese car? Can it match Tesla, Model Y or even Model X? Well, let's find out. Okay, now let's check out the front first. Oh, it's kind of heavy. Wait, there's no struts holding it up. I think you're not meant to open here because here there is no frunk, but it's front wheel drive, so all the electronics and the drivetrain is here. Well, we could almost fit one of these banana boxes here. Well, okay, I see that it pokes too high up. Yeah, so unfortunately that's not possible, but it seems like the 12-volt battery here is easy accessible. You can just lift it up, but you need to reset something. And then to open the tailgate, this is weird because at least I haven't found a button to open it, a physical button. You have to go inside the car, you have to do it via the key fob, or you can just kick here, but no physical button there. That's weird. Okay, well, maybe the French are pulling a Tesla, removing buttons and stalks. Ooh, this is spacious. Well, or is it? So the third row is folded, and then here we have a lid, we can take it out, and then this is just the partial shelf, you can also take it out. Okay, just cut out this part, make it faster. And then wait, there is even a shelf under here that we can take out, but well, I mean, we can't fit any banana boxes under there anyway, so we might as well just leave the shelf there. But at least the trunk has a little well under the trunk, so that should give us some space here. But of course, the third row eats some space. Well, yeah, this is just for pulling it up or down. And then here, well, I see, we can recline the seats. Let's see. Oh, you have to climb up on the car, and wow. Well, this will be covered in another episode, but the leg height or whatever seating height is not the best here. But here. Okay, so that's the okay. That's the click position. Well, it is church bench, but it's possible to sit like this. And then here's the most reclined position. So we're gonna have it in the church bench position. There. Round one in the trunk. I found the button. It is here. There. Yeah, I didn't read the manual, but I Googled for a YouTube video. And then I look at it and they didn't show me where the button was. Well, okay, so how many boxes could you fit here? I couldn't fit more. It was just like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I mean, I guess 10 is okay. But for a big 7-seater, I would expect more than 10. But whatever, let's fold the seats and try again. Wait a minute, I was gonna fold the seat, and I did this. This is for entering the third row, but then when you click it in place, you see that it can actually slide forward. Where's the handle for it? Here, of course. I was in the most back position. So if I go most forward position, I can still sit here, yes? Let's try again then in the trunk. All right, let's see. Round 2 with maximum cargo space. Yeah, Isabel went inside. You want to go outside again? No, okay. But then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Ooh, 10, 11. Take out this. Yeah, 13. Now we're cooking. Getting kind of close to a Chinese, but not really there. Okay, now we fold the seats. All right, as usual, we packed as many as possible in here. You see, all the way to the top. And also, this car has glass roof, so we try to pack all the way up there. Yeah, the seats are also in okay position in front. All right, as usual, let's turn up the pitch and wait, where's the button? Shit. I'm a noob. Yeah, but let's turn up the pitch and start counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23,
24, 25, 26 boxes. Okay, so it has the same space as Model Y, and yeah, less space than many of the other bigger 7-seaters. So yeah, I mean, it's not a 5+ meter car anyway, but yeah, at least we have okay space here. So that's gonna be it for now. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, thank you for watching, and talk to you later.